So one of the products we make in the Chandler Pecos plant is a 4x4x4 electrical vault for Arizona DOT. The form set is very customized to this product and very complicated. There was a lot of design work between the manufacturer of the equipment and our own internal engineers. This particular product, there is a lot of parts that get cast in on the form set. There are 24 termiducts. There are 4 unistruts placed for racking, and there are 4 lifting irons that are cast in for handling the equipment for installation and moving. So with a lot of the products that we produce in Chandler, we work with both internal and external engineers. There is a lot of specification requirements for a lot of these products. A lot of very specific, depending on the customer and the consulting engineering firm, on how it needs to perform. We have a strong working relationship with the engineering firms that we deal with. It's really a partnership between Oldcastle and them, depending on the product that they need.